Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and change your HUD on Fortnite Mobile. Really easy and simple. All you need to do is come here at the top right and click on these three horizontal lines. Okay, then you'll see this right hand panel. Click on those three horizontal lines again and then click on HUD layout tool. There you go, guys. Here you can change for all the different modes. We have combat mode, building mode. I can go ahead and change the positioning of each of these. I can go ahead and do the edit mode, right? You can add other things as well if you want to do that. Or if you come to combat mode, right? You can go ahead and change all the positioning. You can change grid snaps. You can do a lot of things like that. It's really that easy and simple. Make sure you go ahead and save. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.